vice versa?
What was that?
Do you want me to share mine, or do you want to share yours?
Either way, I can. Did you have any issues with it?
No, I think I'm good. Here, I'll share mine, and then you can share yours, just so we both see what each other did.
Are you recording?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. It's pretty straightforward.
Okay, can you see it?
Yeah, that's what mine looks like too.
Okay.
Actually, let me try this. Yeah, the only thing, and I don't really know if they're gonna ding it on it, is that it asks for the grand totals to go on top.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
I figured out a way to jimmy rig it.
Oh, did you? Okay, because I was like, well, was it the label on top or the grand totals on top?
Yeah. So if you, so like hyped up on caffeine right now. Okay, you go to sales data. So it's really weird, but if you go to sales data,
Okay.
yeah, and on the end, so on J, or really, if you, let's see, let me. So if you just like click on the I, and then hit insert,
Okay.
and insert, yeah. Okay. And then in one of those columns, just put so yeah, not leave the title. Oh, actually, put space in the title.
Put what?
Just put a space in the title.
Okay.
And then there put grand total.
Oh, okay.
And then yeah. No. And then put and then
Oh, are you cutting out or?
no, did you hear me?
Oh no, I didn't. I just heard and then.
Oh, and then just copy grand total all the way down.
Oh wow, that went really fast. That is weird. Well, I guess it'll work.
I don't know.
I wonder if inserting that, if it messed anything up.
No, that won't. It won't work.
Okay. With that. Maybe if I do it here. Nope.
I don't know what you're doing. So yeah, just click on grand total. And then that on the bottom right, there's that little dot. Just hover over it. Okay, then double click it.
Oh, I see what you. Okay, that I thought you just like select everything. I see what you're doing. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And well, yeah, and then okay. So then go to sales reports. So you only need it for this first one. So click on that, and then that's really weird. Okay, and then it should be like a blank one.
Oh, let's see it.
Hold on one second.
Okay. I wonder if I have to insert a new one.
That's really weird. Oh, wait, I think. Go back to your sales data.
Okay.
Did you put go to the? Did you put a space in the buyer's age, or you could just even put grand total there? I don't think that would
that work?
No, I know. Okay, go back to the table. Sorry.
Okay, that's okay. To the table. Okay.
All right, and then if it's not showing up, then you're gonna just change the data. You need to change the data itself because it's not including that column.
Okay, so like import it again.
No, there's a way to change the data for the table. Analyze, and then go to change source data.
Analyze.
Okay, yeah, go to analyze. On the top, under pivot table tools, it says analyze.
Am I looking right at it? Maybe it's here.
On the top of the
Oh, I see. On the top of the whole Excel sheet. Okay.
And then change source data or data source.
Oh, it's got it. Okay.
Okay. Why is it not showing up?
That's weird.
Okay, go back to the thing. There was a thing that said more table. Or sorry, go back to the
Analyze?
Yeah. Go back to the sales data.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Analyze. Source data.
Come here. I don't know what just happened. Something happened to my computer.
Oh, really?
Oh, there you go. Okay.
And I'm just looking. So does it actually say those totals have to be at the top? Maybe I misread it.
Let me look.
Oh yeah, it kind of does sound like that. Huh? So did you, on the table, did you insert total at the very, like, did you calculate the total for each month?
No, I did it like I'm telling you. I don't know why it's not showing up. That's what.
Huh. Huh.
Wait, go back to the box with all the categories.
This? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All the way down. You have more table? No, that doesn't make sense.
More table doesn't.
Yeah, I think it just does. I know.
Select it and see what it does. Or maybe it's not going to do anything. Well, do you want to look at the others? See if those ones look right? Oh, let's see.
It's so weird. I don't know why it's not adding it for you.
You know, there's been a couple things where I followed it exactly. At least, like the last one, Mini Project 13, I watched all of these YouTube videos and stuff, and I would do exactly like they said it, and I would watch it like 5 times. It wouldn't show up. It wouldn't work the way that they show it working. I don't know what that.
Hey, how did you do the months?
Do what?
How did you do the months? Because
the months?
That's just yeah.
I did.
The months there. Yeah.
Yeah. It was just an option, I think.
Okay.
And then I put the month under column.
Okay. That's weird. I don't know why it says grand total though. That's why I'm just.
Yeah. Yeah, so mine, it
Oh,
didn't.
mine says that too. I'm dumb. We're good. Okay.
I wonder if I can do. Oh, I guess some. Did it even do anything? It looks like it messed it up a lot.
I don't think that's the one.
No.
I don't know. I don't know why yours isn't coming up. Oh, wait. Okay, I know. Go back.
Sales data?
Well, shoot. No, go to the report. Try to refresh.
Okay.
I don't know if that.
Yeah, maybe. Let's see. What's that?
Does that? Yeah, grand total. There it is.
Oh! Is this how yours looks? Is that?
No, that's not how mine looks. That's the formatting, though, I think. That's weird. Or something.
Oh, weird. It changed some stuff. That's okay.
That is weird.
That's weird. When I hit refresh, it changed a bunch of stuff. Well,
Okay. Well, so how to do it is, so if you go back to that table, and then
look, there's grand total.
if you put grand total on the top of the row, above everything else, so then it gives you a grand total at the top.
Right there?
Yep.
Okay, I see.
You can get rid of that grand total at the bottom with some formatting. I think it's in design. So like at the top next to analyze. So in design next to analyze.
Design, okay, sorry.
And then grand totals.
Okay, grand totals. Oh, okay.
Then columns only.
Oh, okay.
It might have been opposite, rows only. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Hey, you rock. Thank you.
Yeah.
I didn't even know I did anything wrong until you pointed it out. Then I'm like, oh, yeah. All right. Do these ones look the same as yours?
Let me
see.
pull it up. Boardscapes. Oh, wait, I don't.
Well, I don't have
that one looks right. The first one. Let me see if the rest look right. The rest don't look right to me. Oh, never mind. Sorry.
That's okay.
We got our columns mixed. I have my sum first and then average second. So that's fine. But
okay.
That's right. It's all right.
Kelly, off.
And then let's see. I think everything looks good. No, I mean everything looks good. It's looking good.
All right, cool. And then I need to. Some of this shrunk when I refreshed. I'll have to fix it. But oh shoot. Oh yeah. Could you figure out how to get rid of this?
The hell? I could not. I just left it.
Yeah, that's what I had to do too. I played with it and couldn't get rid of it. And then were we just supposed to do the price of these cards?
Yeah, I double checked the video. The video specifically says all they want is the price. They don't
Okay.
need the person that sold it.
Okay, that's what I was confused about. I should have watched the video again, but yeah. Okay.
Yeah, they should have. I mean, yeah,
Yeah, the instructions on this were not great.
it's yeah, it should have. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know if you wanted to see mine or something. I sorted mine a little bit differently on the sales data. Okay, I'm gonna show mine.
Let me stop sharing it. And then
All right, can you see that?
yeah.
Okay, so I did mine. I did mine with it was model first, and then, or how did I do it? Yeah, so I sorted it. So I sorted this first, going left to right, because like it said it wanted. So that's why that looks. The sorting looks a little bit different.
Okay.
The biggest reason I did that is because it had to do with splitting. Let me read the instructions. There's a reason I did it. That was unclear too, because they were really clear about it before, and now it's like, it was like, oh yeah, make sure this is an ascending order or whatever, and then this one was just like, organize it like this. It's like, I don't know what that means. Nope. Yeah. So I did it with, it was the first priority was the model,
Okay.
second was make, third was inventory, fourth was the store, and then the last was the month.
Okay.
But I don't know which way to actually right. That's just the way I think is right.
Okay.
Let's see, format this into.
What do you think?
Yeah. So I don't know. Yeah, the instructions are very clear. That's the way I think it makes sense.
Okay.
But
yeah, I know some of it. I was like, sure, I think this is what they mean.
yeah. So I think either way is good. I just wanted to show you that. Oh, I need to get rid of this. And I didn't. Did you format this at all? You didn't format this at all, except for what they said, right?
I didn't. No, I just left it color coded, and that's about it.
Okay. Cool. Oh, and then I was just gonna hide this column.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I think that's it. I think it's not my prettiest.
I know, because yeah, they're just kind of hard to.
Yeah, I was like, oh, this will look really nice. So we'll have like table after table after table.
Yeah.
And it was like, the second one was like only 3 columns wide, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna look so bad.
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of hard to make it look nice. I tried to organize it, but they're hard to move once they're created too.
Oh yeah, for sure. And then stop sharing. And then yeah, and then like some of them have filters, some of them have 2 filters.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, okay. And I just put mine underneath. I don't think it's gonna be a big deal.
Yeah. Yep.
It said right.
Yep. I think we'll be okay. All right.
Cool. All right. Well,
with the grand total.
Yeah, no problem. So I actually did end up finishing the mini project, the other one, but it was like literally like 10 minutes before it was submitted. Like,
before it was due.
yeah.
So And remind me, on the mini projects, are we allowed to share them with people after the due date? Is that right?
You're allowed to share them with other people that are not going to take the class or going to.
I guess what I'm wondering is, I would like to see yours to see how you did the work that I couldn't figure out.
Oh well, I mean, like,
are we allowed to do that after the fact? Like, I'm already graded.
You know? Yeah, like for sure. Oh, are they graded already?
Well, no. I guess I'm already turned in. Is what I mean.
Did you want to see mine?
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah. No, I don't think that's an issue. What it was saying was like, because you can show like workers or whatever, or right. People that have completed the class. You're just not supposed to show people that like will eventually take the class.
Yeah.
And especially because you're in my group, like I can show you it while I'm working on it before, so I don't think it's a big deal at all. So I figured out the issue with the standard division. Where was that?
Sorry, my dog's digging in her toy box. She's being very noisy. How's your puppy doing?
He's good. He like just wants to play. He's so bored.
Yep.
But I can't like let him. So weren't we supposed to do? Did I just not do a standard deviation? No. Oh, average. Okay. So average. So when it averages, it divides, and so if there's nothing to divide, it's you're dividing 0 by 0, and like, mathematically it can't compute that. So it's not that the formula is wrong. It's just that like that formula is not expecting zeros. So
okay.
To fix that, I just put because there's one where it's like if an error. Oh, I protected it. That's fine. If an error pops up, meaning like this isn't working, then just do a dash.
Okay.
So I think you did it right. When you showed me it, I'm pretty sure it was right.
I just had a lot of blank spots in the room. But yeah, hopefully they don't dock too much with it.
Uh-oh.
So, you know what I always forget? I always forget to fill the white of the tables with another color before I finish.
Sure.
And then when I fill it changes all the colors.
Sure. Yeah. I don't know how to get around that. I wish I did.
Yeah. Yep. Now I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot to put a color in the background on this, and there's, yep, it's gonna change all my colors. Dang it, that's that.
Yeah. It's frustrating.
Yeah.
All right. And then I think I hit everything. Yeah. Oh, there's a couple. I did a couple formulas just here. So,
okay.
But I think,
I'm actually not seeing your screen.
What was that?
I'm not seeing your screen.
Oh, it's because I didn't share.
Sorry. That's okay. There we go. Okay.
So yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks better. That looks way better than all my. Okay.
Yeah, because for internet and broker, they didn't even start making cells on the internet until like 2016 or 2015 or something.
Okay.
Yeah, 2015. And they didn't start using the broker until 2016. And you just can't divide zeros, so.
Right. Okay. Yeah, maybe that's what was going on.
Let's see.
will you click on like the top left cell of the formulas of each of them, just so I can look it over?
Wait, which one?
So like, yeah, like 546. Okay, and then like 6183 on the next, yeah, just so I can kind of see what the formula you say. Okay. Okay, okay. All right, will you do the next one? Okay. Okay. I'll have to, yeah, will you click on those ones too? Because that way I can look at this recording and look at mine and see what I was doing wrong. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
And then there was one I had to do. Oh, this is where I had to do it. Standard deviation.
Yeah.
So this one I just did this.
Mhm.
Oh, I don't, and I put an array. It has an array formula.
Mhm.
So I figured. So there are some formulas that are already configured to like handle ranges,
Mhm.
but there are some that are not. And if they're not, so like if the if formula, um, it's a son of a gun. I'll tell you what. But if you do an if formula, like you can't compare it. Like, this one it's like so if O4, so if lamb lotion small equals, and then you have to like give it a value.
Mhm.
It doesn't know how to compute if you give it a range, and so that's what items is. It's a range. In
Okay.
order to get it to compute, you have to do it as an array formula.
And that's why we do the control shift into it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if the formula like isn't set up to do like normally do a range, you do an array formula. That's kind of like what it is. I don't think all of them can do it, but basically.
Okay. Okay.
And then you know how to protect and everything, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And you know, I forgot to do that at the end. I was so frustrated with that stupid thing because I couldn't get it to work right that I just turned it in and then I was like, oh well.
Yeah. All right.
Hey, thanks for all your help. You are much better at this than me.
Okay.